In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your Gusto account. To get started, head over to the Gusto website and create your account. You'll be asked to sign up using your email address and a password. As you do this, make sure you choose a password that's secure and easy for you to remember. This first step creates the foundation for your account. So take a moment to enter everything carefully. Once your account has been created, the next thing you'll need to do is verify your email address. Open the verification email sent by Gusto and confirm your account. This step is important because it helps activate your access and ensures that your email is correctly connected to the account. After that, you'll move on to entering your personal information. Fill in your name and any other required account details. Be sure to double-check everything for accuracy, since these details may be used across your account settings and other setup areas. Next, add your company information. Enter your business name along with the basic company details Gusto requests. This helps the platform tailor the account to your business and prepares the dashboard for payroll, compliance, and employee-related tools. Once you sign in, you'll arrive at the Gusto Home dashboard. This is your main control center, where you can manage both your account and your company information. Take a moment to get familiar with the layout, because this is where most of your important actions will begin. From there, review your account setup progress. Gusto will typically show you what's already complete and what tasks are still remaining. This is very helpful because it gives you a clear view of what still needs attention before your account is fully ready to use. You should also explore the main navigation menu on the left-hand side. This sidebar gives you access to areas like Home, Pay, Reports, Taxes and Compliance, Time and Attendance, Benefits, Documents, Money, and People. Knowing where these sections are will make it much easier to move through the platform later. Next, check the Tasks section for any items that require your attention. Then look at the Recent Activity section to stay updated on changes or actions related to your account. After that, review the Upcoming section so you can see future payroll schedules and deadlines. Finally, select View Plan and Billing to review your subscription details. Once all of your information is complete, you can start using Gusto and take advantage of the tools and features available from the dashboard. Thanks for watching.